In. I am in the room. I am in the room. On. The phone is on the table. The phone is on the table. At. She is at the door. She is at the door. To. I go to school. I go to school. From. I am from Brazil. I am from Brazil. With. I am with my brother. I am with my brother. For. This is for you. This is for you. Of. This is the color of the car. This is the color of the car. By. He sits by the window. He sits by the window. About. We talk about school. We talk about school. Into. She walks into the room. She walks into the room. Over. The plane flies over the city. The plane flies over the city. Under. The cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. Between. The ball is between the boxes. The ball is between the boxes. Among. He is among friends. He is among friends. Before. I eat before work. I eat before work. After. I sleep after dinner. I sleep after dinner. During. I read during the class. I read during the class. Since. I live here since 2022. I live here since 2022. Until. Wait until morning. Wait until morning. Up. He looks up. He looks up. Down. She sits down. She sits down. Out. They go out. They go out. Off. Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Across. I walk across the street. I walk across the street. Along. We walk along the river. We walk along the river. Around. They play around the house. They play around the house. Behind. He is behind the door. He is behind the door. Beside. She sits beside me. She sits beside me. Near. The shop is near my home. The shop is near my home. In front of. The car is in front of the house. The car is in front of the house. Next to. The bank is next to the school. The bank is next to the school. Inside. I am inside the house. I am inside the house. Outside. He is outside the house. He is outside the house. Through. We walk through the park. We walk through the park.